Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, my name is Serena and I'm from the UK. How about you?
My name is Irfan and I'm from India.
Irfan. Nice to meet you, Irfan.
Nice to meet you too.
So, are you a student or are you working at the moment?
I have completed my graduation this
Oh, great.
this month. Yeah,
Congratulations. Very good.
thank you, thank you.
So, what were you studying?
I was studying computer science engineering.
Oh, great. So now you're looking for a job?
No, not yet. I am going for my. Uh, Actually, I'm interested in sports, so I'm going for that.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's really good. Okay,
Yeah.
and so why do you want to improve your English? Is it for study or just for yourself?
Yeah, for myself, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. So have you tried any of the lessons on Cambly or would you like to read an article?
No, no, I don't just focus on a specific, you know, thing. I just, I like to meet new people and
Hmm.
just want to know about themselves,
Mm,
about the cultures and everything,
yeah. So have you traveled to the UK before? Have you visited?
No, I have never gone there.
Where would you like to visit?
Yeah, sure, for sure.
Yeah. Have you
Maybe in
traveled
future.
to any other countries?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. So if you could choose anywhere in the world, where would you like to go?
For sure in UK.
Really? Out
Yeah.
of the whole world?
Okay. So, what are you doing? What's your profession?
So I'm a teacher. Usually, though, I teach kindergarten.
Okay, so you are originally from UK, you were somewhere else and you migrated here?
No, originally from UK. My parents and grandparents too. My father's family is from Jamaica. Do you know Jamaica?
Oh, yeah, yeah, I know Jamaica.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
So,
Jamaica. Uh,
so I was just going to ask, what is it about the UK that makes you want to visit?
Actually, the people I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube.
Mm,
They are so extroverts. They are so
mm.
positive. So that makes me to come there and experience that thing. So,
Mm,
okay, I want to ask you a question. I have seen a lot of videos. They are shooting public experience on some specific topic.
mm,
Okay,
mhm.
so do you think that is scripted or not?
I'd have to see the video. I couldn't say. So,
Okay, let me tell you what type of
mm,
video. Suppose uh, you okay, you are in the public place.
mhm,
Hmm? And they will ask you like, we want to rotate a bottle. If
mm.
bottles top will go towards you, then you have to kiss me like that. So
Yeah, if it's on a Friday night, for example, and people are drinking alcohol,
uh-huh.
then yes, yeah, it's probably not scripted. People are
Oh,
very, if they're drinking, the city centers get
mhm.
very loud, um, and people get very crazy, mainly because they're drinking alcohol.
Mhm. Oh, okay, okay.
Mhm.
uh, yeah, you're right. So do you like that type of culture? And
No, because I'm Muslim, so I don't drink. I don't go clubbing or anything like that.
oh.
Um, so it can be a little bit and not annoying, but it depends. I live in an area where we don't get a lot of that, but I used to live very close to the city center.
Uh-huh.
So on a Friday and Saturday, it would be just, full of drunk people, very loud, noisy. So if you're not part of that, then it's not nice to be around it. Yeah.
Oh, that's really great. Actually, I like your attitude.
So
Okay.
do is there anything similar like that in India, that kind of culture?
No. India is quite different actually.
People
We
feel more
cannot even, we have a lot of fears here. We cannot even openly talk to any random girl.
I see.
Mhm.
Yeah. I suppose it's more a reserved kind of culture then. It's
Here
yeah,
is
people are
culture,
not coming.
if anyone will see you with a girl, okay,
Mm.
they will firstly they will hit you and then will ask, what were you doing there, okay.
I see.
Yeah, because
Okay.
no, there are two things.
Mm.
uh, in India, there are a lot of guys, they wanted, they acting like they are positive with the girls, but actually
Mm.
they are not, okay.
Mm.
They
Mm.
want something else.
Mm.
So but majority of people, they know their thinking process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you do want to, oh,